Hi YouTube, this is Alisa. Today I will show you guys a new pair of shoes from my website. It's the Jordan 5. Okay, let me show you guys the box first. This pair of box are so special. Yes, the colorway and the shape design also very special. Okay, you can check the inside and the size label. Okay, now let me show you guys the whole look of the Jordan sneaker. Okay, please check the details in my video. The wrapper, this pair, the measure. This pair use the leather, yes, the black leather, very softer. And this part, okay, and also this jumping logo. Yes, this pair, so beautiful. Move to the back. Here also have a black German logo here. Another side. And the Sultan. Okay. And inside the size label here. Welcome to my website to check the clear picture. Okay. And the bottom. Okay, another side. The quality also perfect. You can place order direct to my website. And if you want the wholesale price, please contact with me. You can add my WhatsApp or the Snapchat or send the email to me. Okay, thank you for your watching this video. See you next time. Bye.